Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this gorgeous skunk stripe wig from ft.Unice hair. So ft.Unice went ahead and sent me this 13x4 frontal skunk stripe unit in 18 inches. I'm loving the length because I did go ahead and just bump the ends to give a 90s vibe. I'm loving the side part. The whole aesthetic of this wig is everything, and honestly super soft, and I feel like the hair is definitely it. Like super lightweight. It is actually like just full. It's not thin and it's not thick at all. Like this hair is perfect for 18 inches. You don't want too thick hair when it comes to these short lengths. You definitely just want it to be full enough, and that is what this hair gives. So if you would like to purchase off rip, which I would definitely recommend because this wig is actually really cute, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and let's jump into the tutorial. Okay mamas, I am finished and this is just what the hair looks like. To the ends, I pretty much just took my flat iron and went like this. Just bump it just a little bit, you know, to just give it a vibe, because I did do like the whole behind the ear thing. So I felt like, you know, this was just perfect for the whole like vibe of what the hair is giving. It is actually a 13x4 frontal skunk stripe unit in 18 inches. And girl, I'm loving it. With the hair pulled out of the thing, I like it. I actually do. But I don't know, for the skunk stripe, I felt like just styling my hair just a bit differently, only because it is a skunk stripe wig. Like, you know, I just want to, you know, have that little pop of color right there, and then, you know, just some nice little 90s vibes. I think this is really cute. I am loving it. So thank you so much to ft.Unice for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous wig. I'm loving it. I cannot wait to take some pictures with this wig on. Like, so excited. But yeah, thank you again so much for watching. The links for this wig and all other wigs and the website to ft.Unice will be in the description box below, so definitely go ahead and check it out. And now that I've said all of that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.